Okay, so hi dear Aries, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a no contact reading for all the Aries Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 4th of May. Roles can be reversed also, and action can be from your side also. And if this is not resonating, not your story and not your reading, okay? Want to be reader like me, want to have personal reading or healing sessions, you can check out the description box, you'll find the links below. And for Ho'oponopono masterclass and self-love course, links are given below in the description box too. So let's start. The person that you're in no communication or no contact with their current feelings for you right now. We have the Six of Swords, the Empress, and the King of Cups. Okay, with a lot of love in their heart, with a lot of energy of okay, everything is going to be fine. This person feels like moving on towards calmer water. Right now, they're on the energy. They are on this and they are in this energy of making things work out for themselves, having growth and expansion in their personal life, and they feel like even if they have emotions, even if they have love for the situation between you and them, things are kind of not on the same page, but there's a sense of growth, there's a sense of okay, things might work out in the future, but right now they feel like moving ahead towards calmer water and doing their own thing is the right thing to do. This is what they're feeling, but there's definitely a sense of attachment, a sense of growth and expansion, and feelings of love. Yeah, definitely the passion is there, the love is there, the feelings are there, but for some reason either the timing is off or you guys are not able to come on the same page, and this person is feeling like okay, right now they should just keep moving ahead in their life because even if they're going to try or do something about it, it's anyway not going to work out. I'm sorry, I'm on my periods these days. Today is my first day, so I might look like a little off. Yeah, sometimes it's too much. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? We have the Ace of Swords, the Knight of Swords, the Nine of Cups. There's something that this person wants to clear with you, clarify with you. This person definitely wants to clear the air with you, like have a very direct and honest and blunt communication between you and them. This is kind of their heart's desire. This is kind of their wish fulfillment to have a proper communication with you, to sort it out with you, to have direct communication with you. Yeah, this person definitely wants to clear the air with you regarding something, and they want to be as blunt and honest as they can from their side, and they want the same kind of honesty and blunt and uh, mm, clear kind of energy from your side too. This is their desire, this is their intention. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the what we have, honey, by the 4th of May. Yeah, let's see. It's Taurus season. How are you doing, Taurus people, if you're cross watching or something? We have the 10 of cups, the lovers, and the 3 of swords. It's like this person is on the way of making a very strong choice here, making a very strong decision, a firm decision, sorry, you can say strong and firm, regarding something related to commitment, marriage, or long-term partnership. Maybe they are already married or committed to somebody else, and or if they were committed or married to you, this person wants to choose you at the end of the day, but something is stopping them right now, and it is so hurtful and painful for them too. So basically, this person is trying to figure out what they should do in order to have this happily ever after kind of their in their life that includes you also. Maybe they have other people, other situations going on in their life that they're dealing with, or maybe you are committed or connected to somebody else. But there's a sense of third party here. The third party can be romantic ones. It can be family. It can be not being able to come on the same page. It can be anything, but this person is taking their time to figure out what they should do in order to have this happily ever after kind of deal in their life, because that is their ultimate goal. So I don't see any kind of action from this person's side whatsoever right now in this direction towards you, because right now they are in this energy of okay, let me figure out. So they are just in this energy of figuring it out. For you, the guidance here is that death. Because of this whole situation, there's a huge transformation going on inside out in your life. Instead of trying to resist it or trying to go against the changes, try to accept the situation for what it is. For the time being, you have to understand that this situation ended because this is teaching you something very, very deep on a spiritual level. Now, not everyone is ready to go on the spiritual path, so that so I can understand that it might be very difficult for you to take the situation for what it is. But you have to be in the reality and the truth and acceptance of the situation. Aries, nothing else, no one else is going to help you in this case apart from your own acceptance and awareness. I'm so sorry, but this is the truth here. Yeah. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aries. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.